Where did Santa put your stocking, baby?
You want to wear that?
Oh my goodness, are there books in there?
Good job, Billy.
What is that? That looks like a magic towel. We'll have to do that later. See what else is in there. What else did Santa bring you?
Mickey Mouse.
He brought you Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Let's look at that. Show the camera. Show the camera what's in there. Oh, Clubhouse Christmas. Pretty neat. Okay, go see what else is in your stocking. Looks like there's a couple more books. Go dump it out. Go dump your stocking out. Hurry, go. Mama get it on camera.